Hey guys, what's up? I'm back, and Tree's not going to be in this video once again. I can probably get him to talk on the speaker again so you guys can hear him for a bit in this video. We haven't posted him 4 weeks. That's pretty crazy. So, yeah, schoolwork and stuff like that's hard to do. And right now we cannot do GTA videos because my Xbox Live Gold bill has not been paid for me. So, I need to pay that, which I will do soon, guys. So don't worry, videos from that will be coming back soon. The Kings of Los Santos episode 3. We have another NASCAR. I just gave it away by saying that on accident. We have another series also going to come up called NASCAR Nights. That's going to be the series that comes after Kings of Los Santos. That's also going to be in GTA. It's going to be one about NASCAR. They're not going to be in NASCAR. It's going to be about it. Right now, as you can see, you're not on GTA unless you were too stupid and you thought I'm on GTA, but no, because I'm obviously driving a Ford. Sorry, not a Ford, I'm an idiot. This is a Subaru WRX SIT Impreza. So, I love this car. I just bought it, but this is not my favorite car I own. If you know me, you know I love the movies from the Fast and the Furious, especially like the first one and the second one were the best. Those are the ones that were about street racing. The other ones really aren't. But so basically, I'm gonna be giving out my garage tour today. So let's just get it going with the first car, I guess. This is my Subaru Impreza WRX STI. It's a little wrecked right now, but that's the front of the car. I like the gold rims and the matte black paint job I put on this one. The car comes with gold rims and a black paint job, but I did matte black. This car right now doesn't have any upgrades because I just bought it, not even like spoilers or anything like that. I literally just bought it. But it's pretty fast right off the line. So yeah, that is my first car, guys. Alright, let's get on to the second one. Alright guys, this is my Toyota Supra. It's a 1998. This is my favorite car I own. Obviously, it shows the old Fast and Furious. My favorite car from the Fast and Furious is Brian's green Eclipse in the first movie, but you can't even get an Eclipse in this game. This was the car I picked at the beginning of the game. You get to pick from between the Camaro, this, and then some BMW. I picked this car because I love it. So it's got a ton of engine upgrades. It's also my fastest car right now. I'm not that far in the game. I think I'm like 12% in. Oh no, I'm 6% road trip. Progress. Stats. I have no idea. I think I'm like 12% out of the campaign. So, not the farthest, but I'll give you a look at the car. I used to more like cars that you'd see in Fast and Furious. Like I used to have an RX-7 and stuff. But those cars I got rid of so I could buy that Impreza you just saw. Because that was like a $34,000 car. This one I got free at the beginning of the game. I'm gonna try to oh crap. This I don't usually rewind, but I really want to challenge this guy for this video. So I gotta rewind that so I can catch him. So I can challenge him. No, this is not an online guy because I get out of my gold bill pits. I don't think he's online. Crap. Rewind again. I cannot tell what he's driving, if that's a Porsche. It could even be... Did he just turn the opposite way after I rewinded it? That could also be one of those Italian cars. Not Italian, like for the country, but there's something called the Eagle Italian. I think that's called, I don't know the car brand, but I know it's called the Italian. That's what it kind of looks like. Glad to see when we catch him. He's starting to catch up. Hard on dirt, the Supra's not making it. Oh my god, what is that? Or maybe that's a Sylvia, a Nissan Sylvia. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna try to challenge him. Oh, I gotta get closer to him to challenge him. This car's not built for dirt. Oh, crap. Stay with him. Finally, we're out onto a regular road. Got a new barn find.
Rumor kicking around that there's an abandoned classic over to the west of San Martin. You should check it out.
I think the worst guys, but yeah, so this is my Supra. We couldn't catch him in time. It doesn't even matter, but this is my Supra, guys. My favorite car I own. I'm trying to show the giant exposed intercooler. But from the headlights, you can't see. I don't know how to turn off my headlights. Alright, here's the inside view. I didn't show the inside view of the Impreza, but here's the inside view of this one. Zoom out. Zoom back in. We're still spinning. I'm not even turning the wheel. I'm turning the wheel the opposite way. Great, now we're spinning this way. Not even turning the wheel anymore. Honestly, look, I'm not turning the wheel at all. Still not turning the wheel. That's the turning mechanism. I'm not turning it. There we go. Oh, come on. Still not turning it. That is crazy. Alright, next car. Wait, hold up. Look at all that. Next up, guys, we have my Nissan Silvia spec car. This is my drift car. Everyone on this game builds drift cars out of this car. I did mine in orange, and I did a giant wing on it. So it's an orange and black look to it. So let's go do some drifting in this one. Let's find the road. It doesn't do much speed on dirt if you can't tell. I'm only going around 70 miles an hour. Not doing anything here. I also not see the speed that the car is going. We're going around 60 right now because we're not on the road. See, now speed improves the second we hit a road. Actually, during this video, as we drive, guys, anytime we're driving in this video, we're going to start driving over here because I need to get there just to check out this new barn find.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Guys, let's do some drifting. We're going to drift this corner, even though it's not really a corner, you should be drifting. We didn't get enough speed to drift it. In this game, a lot of people drift different ways. You can just drift by just turning the steering wheel if you got enough speed. But I like to use handbrake drifting, which, if you didn't know, is just A for anyone who plays this game, Forza Horizon 2. So.
In 100 yards, turn right.
Crap.
Turn right.
Right, I'm not handbrake drifting, I'm just turning the wheel. Alright, let's do one more handbrake drift.
In 400 yards,
Just gotta
turn
get some speed.
left.
I think we got enough to drift this next upcoming corner. Yeah, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it. Come on, let's go.
Turn left.
Not enough, guys. Alright, guys, this is my final car that's not a barn
Turn
find.
around when it is safe
I've
to
found
do so.
6 of the barn finds so far on this game. This is the last car that I wanted, and I purchased. The only car I really like out of my barn finds is my Ferrari that you'll see. But this is my Acura Integra Type R. In this game, I like to just drive this around the festival and stuff. This car, if you didn't know in Forza Horizon 2, it's actually pretty fast. But it turns really well, it brakes really well. It's just a really fun car to drive. I'll show you the inside view because the interior is pretty dope on this car. It's plain, but it's dope to me. I just like the look of it. It holds a lot more, so you can see the interior even better. Yeah, that's the best thing.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
This car is just a really fun car to drive. I'm trying to drift this and go in reverse. Oh no, we messed it up. turn the TV up for this. By the way, guys, if some of the cars sound louder from now on in the video, that is because I turned the volume up. It's not because these next cars are like so much better than all the next cars. Like my Supra could whip this Acura. Who knows where I heard you. Let's try this again. Almost, guys. At least we got it going in reverse this time. That's what I wanted to do right there. But I wanted to switch it from going this way to reverse. Alright, guys, so now let's get to the next car. I turned the TV back down, by the way. Alright, guys, we're on to the first barn find car. My Ferrari, GTO, I love this car. By the way, fun fact about this car, everyone who bought Toyota MR2s back in the day were making replicas of the Ferrari. So, yeah, there you go. Fun fact of the day. This car is pretty loud because the TV is back down. The interior is really cool on this car. Cooler than the Acura. Like a ton cooler. I like the pop-up headlights on this car too.
Turn around
Crap.
when it is safe to do so.
What did we just hit? We hit something off our own car. Is that the front bumper? I think we hit the front bumper, guys. 'Cause I don't think this car has a spoiler. Yeah, I think that's the back bumper. Let's throw it down there. No, I wanted to throw it down to the crack. Bye-bye, bumper. We're faster than this bus. Come on, bus. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Wanna go, bro?
Turn around when it is safe to do so. Recalculating route.
Crap, I still can't do it. Alright, guys. So this Ferrari. This is my second favorite car. More than Impreza. Pop-ups. There you go. So let's get to the next car. This next car is another barn find, my Lamborghini Miura 400. So yeah, I've got a Lamborghini and a Ferrari. Another pretty loud car here. The interior of this one's cool as well. Really classic.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Challenge this guy, guys. You're finally getting your challenge from earlier with the Supra. Just this time on a Lamborghini. He was driving a Skyline. I used to own a Skyline on. Tell you this thing, I used to own that exact same Skyline on this game. I'm gonna buy a new one, but the reason I sold it was because it cost a lot of money, and I needed the money to upgrade my Supra, which is a very important car to me. At the time, even though I love that, and I had the same color too, so we are going to be buying a new Skyline like that for this soon, though, guys, don't worry. So let's challenge him. Here we go. He's got that GTR. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to have Lamborghini versus GTR, but this is a classic Lamborghini, so. Oh, come on, bro. What you got? Oh, that thing is fast. We got him. We got him. We're in a draft here. Guys, we're gonna beat him. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna beat him. crap. I am getting really
400
cocky.
yards.
No. I got so cocky, dude. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm so sorry about that, guys. My desk chair freaking knocked it. Alright. I'm gonna rewind that because I dropped the camera. So, I don't know how much that didn't catch, but... Oh, no. It's not what I wanted. Alright, guys, I think we're ready. He's gonna beat us, guys, because I got cocky. And that's my fault. But I might be able to pass him by cutting a bit of this corner. Oh, I did not even want to do that to him. Sorry, bro. I feel bad.
You will arrive
I feel
at your
really bad now, guys.
destination.
Our Lamborghini Mioria beat him. Crap, maybe not. Yeah, we beat him. I mean, not fair and square, though, I'll say that. We did not beat him fair and square. Yeah, we did not beat that guy fair and square. We leveled up, though. So that's pretty nice. Alright, guys, let's shoot the next. Alright, guys, we got my second barn find Ferrari. The Ferrari Dentenerly Burlia. I can't really pronounce that. And then there's something after it, too. I think it's F55. I don't know.
In 200 yards, turn right.
But this is a pretty nice one, too.
Turn right.
Let's show you guys the interior. Oops, wrong button. I'm using GTA. This one's got a pretty cool interior, especially the steering wheel. I really like portrait. I really like to be in the inside of this car because it's so clear to see out of the windshield. I don't know why. Just looks a
In
ton
400
better than all my
yards,
other
you will
cars.
arrive at your destination.
Yeah, we're gonna flip it out. We're at my destination, guys, so I guess we can start looking for the barn find, which brings us to our next barn find car. And I really want to find our next barn find in this car. This is the perfect off-road car because we are off-road. So let's get to the next car. I'm actually gonna give a little more look at this one. So that's what this car looks like, guys, on the outside. It's pretty nice. Our next car is the Willys B Army Jeep, guys. This is my barn find. This is the car we're gonna try to find the new barn find in. So let's get to work on finding it. Yes, this is a really slow car. I'm trying to do that. Alright, did I already seriously find the barn find? No way did I find it this quick. There's no way in heck. Oh my god, did I seriously? No. That's not the barn find. Oh my god. I just freaking found that barn find.
I gotta go. I'll call you back. Seriously, I don't know how you're doing it. Must be your secret powers.
Yes, of course I have
I bet
secret
you're good
powers.
at video games.
I am good at video games. Let's see what we got here.
Oh
my
man,
god.
would you look at
Oh
those
my god,
curves?
Cobra Daytona Coupe.
This is an
No, it's
Alpha
not.
Julia, the TZ2, I think. Alpha sure knows how to make a pretty car, huh? Well, she'll be pretty when I'm done with her anyway.
Alright guys, that girl's pretty
The
pretty
body
too.
work looks okay. So I
So
should be
does
able to
yours.
get her ready to throw it down. I'll
Yeah.
call you when I've got her there.
I'll call you. Well, guys, we just finished finding that barn find. I always find barn finds so quick, though. I don't know why. I just do. But, so I guess let's go on to the next car. So, see what we get in there. Guys, this is the second to last car. The next car is us. This is the Jaguar. Love this car. Also, sitting in this car is super nice. I'll show you that. This car is not built for off-roading, though. This is made to be a luxury car, which is exactly why I'm doing this, because it's supposed to get dirty. It's like, oh crap, didn't work. I just realized something, guys. The RPMs go backwards. Look at this. Look at the RPM thing. The RPM gauge. See, it goes the other way. Alright, so this is the car, guys. Oh, dang it. I wrecked it up and we're crashing it and running in the dirt, dang. So dang wrecked up. Right, now next car. Alright, it's the final car in my garage, guys. Hippie van. That's all I'm saying about it, guys. I know it's called the Volkswagen W van, I think. But what's the hipster van today? Come on, hipster van, let's go. It's exactly the terrain the hipster van's made for. Roads out in the country where hippies can be hippies. What's up, man? So surfers, I guess, drove this too. So here's my voice of a surfer. Calabanga! I suck. I think we're Rio de Janeiro. I know it's not where we are, but it's for like saying that. I don't know. Oh crap, we got into a car accident. My neck, my back, I'm so dang paralyzed. I'm gonna sue this man right here for everything I own. For everything he owns right now. See, he got me into that accident, so I'm gonna sue him for everything I own. He owns, sorry guys, that's the end of the video. See you next time. Not sure what the next video is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be a GTA Online video or a regular GTA video. A game like the game of Forza Horizon 2 or a different game, I don't know, we'll see. But see you guys next time. Sure, I'll be in the next video.